Welcome to FoodTopia, your one and only food destination. So today we are going to be teaching you how to make the limchi. So what is the limchi? It is a unique, simple mocktail with a very addictive taste. Usually simple to make, this beverage is totally awesome. So there are only three things you need, or four. They are lychee juice, limca, Sprite if you want. So what you've got to do, take the glass, take the lychee first, and pour how much ever you want. Into the glass. Okay, that's all I want. So now take your limca or your Sprite. I'll take Sprite for now and add it. But wait, make sure you add the lychee and limca or Sprite in a 3:1 ratio. So if you've put this much lychee, you just gotta put a bit more of Sprite. Yes. So now it's almost ready. If you want, you can also add ice cubes. That's it. If you want, you can take your juice, taste it. I'm telling you, I'm not like those funny TV shows, cooking channels, where they taste their own food and say, oh wow, it's great. But this thing is really good and I recommend you making this.